Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this outdoor weatherproof WLAN repeater. It's an IP65 Rainproof and Dustproof Wi-Fi amplifier with AP mode. It can extend the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network with up to 300 megabit per second. It's a Wi-Fi expander with built-in hidden antennas, and the working temperature is from minus 40 degrees Celsius up to 70. It is the OD300 by Henlson, Henlson, that's the brand. With here high-end materials with the Qualcomm Atheros chipsets, 12 dBi high-gain antennas, and a high-quality material, specially developed housing, and a PoA power supply. The CPE is specially designed for outdoor use and weather. That means it's windy and rainproof. Hot or cold, no problem for it. It can work perfectly in almost any climate with operation temperature from minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. And the range of the extending can be reached up to 200 meters. Of course, in best condition. This is wireless Wi-Fi security. The Wi-Fi repeaters meet the secure standards WPA-PSK and WPA2. This protects our network security to the highest degrees and support the concealing of the SSID blacklist. We enjoy an online 4K video streaming games without buffering or interruption. This Wi-Fi booster is compatible with over 99% of the routers and devices on the market. We expanded the Wi-Fi coverage for smartphones, for smart televisions, for the Fire Stick, for Google Chrome, for web surfing, for Alexa, Echo, Ring, and more. And it's equipped with a built-in hidden antenna. This Wi-Fi extender provides a stable 300 megabit per second broadband connection for high-definition videos and online games. We can enjoy high-definition streaming too. There will be no lags, no buffering, and the game has no delay. The amplifier improves coverage in areas with weak Wi-Fi signals of an extending Wi-Fi router. The amplifier does not increase the speed of the bandwidth of our network, of course. Due to physical laws, the Wi-Fi amplifier will always be a little bit slower than the existing Wi-Fi modem or router at home. That's normally. We have hidden antennas. It's really easy to install, as you can see in that video. We have an easy peasy standard size from 170 millimeter to 90. That's small. You can use it on a farm. You can use it in the city or at home. Easy peasy, as you can see, we plug the extender into socket near our existing Wi-Fi router. We open the Wi-Fi settings on our mobile phone or computer. We find the network repeater -XXX, and then we connect to it. The network in our wireless network list. If the setting page does not appear automatically, we stay our web browser and enter the IP address 192.168.11.1 in the address bar. Then we click Login. We select the repeater mode and await 10 seconds. The system scans all networks. We click on the name of the existing Wi-Fi network we want to expand. We enter our Wi-Fi password in the password field and click the Next button. We click the Finish button once we have completed the process, and then the extender will automatically reboot. We place the extender half between our Wi-Fi router and the area with a poor signal coverage. And then it can begin to make a good job. A really peely good job. The model is the CPE 300S with 64 megabit of RAM, while the standard is 802.11 BGNN. The wireless band is at 2.4 gigahertz, up to 300 megabit per second. The antenna is 12 dBi high gain antenna. The interface comes with a LAN port 1 to 10 and 1 to 100 megabit per second. Supports PoE. One DC port, one reset button. And the power supply comes from the PoE adapter, supports 24 volt passive PoE up to 100 meters. Or we can use a power adapter input from 100 up to 240 volts, 50 up to 60 hertz. Output is 24 volt, 1 ampere. That you have to buy separately if you need it. And we have a waterproof level of IP65. That's cool. That's mobile. That's really nice for outdoor activities. Extend your Wi-Fi with this hands-on outdoor weatherproof WLAN repeater. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.